Hello guys, today we learn alphabet color name red color, light green color, yellow color, black color, sky blue color, orange color, golden color, green color, brown color, sea blue color, pink color, and silver color. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for candy. D. D for doll. E. E for alligator. F. F for fox. G. G for God. H. H for horse. I. I for igloo. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for king cobra. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for net. O. O for orange. P. P for pineapple. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rat. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for window. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra.